The first light of morning arrives, casting a gentle glow over the vast Tanzanian landscape. The sky transforms into a canvas, painted with hues of orange and pink, a breathtaking spectacle that heralds the start of a new day. Below, a magnificent scene unfolds in Tanzania, a jewel of East Africa. The land awakens, revealing its natural splendor. Mount Kilimanjaro stands proud, its snow-capped peak catching the sun's first rays. This majestic mountain is a symbol of endurance and beauty. The savanna unfurls like a golden carpet, dotted with iconic acacia trees. These trees, with their distinctive silhouettes, are guardians of the plains. This is a realm of incredible scale and untamed beauty, where the horizon stretches endlessly, and the wild heart of Africa beats strong. The air is cool and filled with anticipation, a promise of the adventures and discoveries that lie ahead. Shadows shorten as the sun climbs higher, awakening the land. The warmth of the sun breathes life into every corner of the savanna. Herds of animals begin to move across the plains, their journey a timeless dance of survival and harmony with nature. Birds take to the sky, their songs filling the morning air. Each note is a celebration of the new day, a symphony of life. The landscape, bathed in golden light, seems almost magical. Every element, from the smallest insect to the tallest tree, glows with a radiant energy. Tanzania offers a glimpse into a world unchanged for millennia. It is a place where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. It is an invitation to witness the profound power and beauty of nature, a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life. A truly unforgettable experience begins here, in the heart of Tanzania, where every sunrise is a promise of wonder and discovery. We journey now to the Serengeti, a land where the horizon stretches endlessly, and the sky meets the earth in a seamless embrace. This is a place of profound natural significance, where every sunrise brings a new chapter in the story of life. These endless plains are a theater of the wild, where the drama of survival unfolds daily. Great herds of herbivores roam freely, their movements a testament to the timeless rhythms of nature. With elephants and giraffes moving gracefully, their majestic presence adds to the grandeur of this landscape. The air hums with the sounds of the wild, telling stories of survival, struggle, and triumph. This incredible expanse includes woodlands, copias, and riverine forests, each contributing to the Serengeti's rich tapestry. Lions survey their kingdom from rocky outcrops, their gaze as ancient as the land itself. Rivers wind through the landscape, providing life-giving water to all who dwell here. The Serengeti is a complex, interconnected web of life, where every creature plays a vital role. Observing it is like stepping back in time, witnessing the world as it once was, untouched and wild. Offering a connection to the primal world, the Serengeti reminds us of our place in the natural order. The sheer scale of the animal populations is breathtaking, a living testament to the abundance of life. Here, one can truly feel the pulse of Africa, a rhythm that has echoed through the ages. The vastness instills a sense of awe, a reminder of the planet's natural heritage and the wonders it holds. Reminding us of the planet's natural heritage, the Serengeti stands as a symbol of the wild's enduring spirit. The Serengeti is not just a place, it is a living, breathing entity that captures the essence of life itself. It is an experience that touches the soul, leaving an indelible mark on all who witness its splendor. Within the Serengeti, the Great Migration unfolds, a spectacle of nature. Millions of animals embark on an epic journey, following the rains. Over 1 million wildebeest form the core, joined by zebras and gazelles. The plains become a moving river of life, the ground trembling under countless hooves. This relentless journey covers hundreds of miles each year. Predators like lions and cheetahs stalk the edges, seeking the weak. River crossings present a dramatic challenge, with crocodiles lying in wait. Yet, the migration is essential for the ecosystem's health. The grazing patterns shape the landscape, and predators maintain balance. The Great Migration is a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of life. It is a drama of life and death played out year after year. Descend into the Ngorongoro crater, a place of exceptional beauty. This is the world's largest intact volcanic caldera, a wildlife haven. The crater floor is a microcosm of East African savanna. Lake Magadi shimmers with thousands of flamingos. Large herds of zebra and wildebeest graze peacefully. One of Ngorongoro's most precious residents is the black rhinoceros. Here they find sanctuary within the crater's protective walls. The crater is also home to large tusked elephants and plentiful lions. The Ngorongoro Conservation Area is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Maasai people live alongside the animals, a testament to harmony. Visiting the crater is more than just a safari, it connects you to the deep past. Kilimanjaro, the white crown of Africa. Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's highest peak, stands as a solitary giant. Its snow-capped summit is a remarkable sight, gleaming under the sun. Climbing Kilimanjaro is a challenging yet rewarding endeavor. Trekkers journey through distinct ecological zones from rainforest to alpine desert. Reaching the summit, Uhuru Peak, is an achievement of a lifetime. Kilimanjaro is a vital water source and home to unique wildlife. The mountain is sacred to many local peoples, holding a special place in their culture. It stands as a silent, watchful guardian over Tanzania, a true icon of Africa. Zanzibar's shores, sands of spice and sapphire. The enchanting archipelago of Zanzibar lies in the turquoise Indian Ocean. Powdery white sands stretch for miles, inviting relaxation. Palm trees sway gently, providing welcome shade. The waters are crystal clear, perfect for swimming and snorkeling. Coral reefs teem with colorful marine life. Traditional dhows glide across the ocean, a timeless scene. Zanzibar is known as the Spice Islands, a major center for the spice trade. Cloves, nutmeg, cinnamon, and pepper grow abundantly. Spice tours offer a fragrant journey through local farms. Beyond the beaches and spices, there is a relaxed island culture. Local fishing villages offer a glimpse into traditional Swahili life. Zanzibar is a place to unwind and rejuvenate, a true paradise. Stone Town, whispers of a storied past. At the heart of Zanzibar lies Stone Town, a place of immense history. This ancient town is a living museum, where every corner tells a story of its rich and diverse past. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a labyrinth of narrow, winding streets. Each alleyway invites you to explore deeper, revealing hidden gems and secrets of bygone eras. The architecture here is a fascinating blend of Arab, Persian, Indian, and European styles. These influences are a testament to the town's historical significance as a melting pot of cultures. Wandering through Stone Town is like stepping into another era. The old streets, with their timeless charm, transport you back to a different time, where the past and present coexist harmoniously. Intricately carved wooden doors are a famous feature. These doors, with their detailed craftsmanship, are not just entrances but also pieces of art that tell stories of the families who lived behind them. The House of Wonders and the Old Fort are prominent landmarks. These structures stand as proud reminders of Stone Town's historical and cultural heritage. Stone Town was once a center of the spice trade and the slave trade. The town's history is deeply intertwined with these trades, which brought wealth and also sorrow to its shores. Visiting the former slave market site is a sobering experience. It serves as a poignant reminder of the town's complex and often painful past. Today, Stone Town is a vibrant, living city with bustling bazaars. The markets are alive with the sounds and scents of daily life, offering a glimpse into the local culture and traditions. The local cuisine is a delicious fusion of flavors, from aromatic spices to fresh seafood. The food here is a reflection of the town's diverse cultural influences. Stone Town is a place that engages all the senses, leaving a lasting impression. The sights, sounds, and smells create a sensory tapestry that is both enchanting and unforgettable. The Maasai, noble custodians of the plains. The Maasai are an iconic symbol of East Africa, known for their distinctive culture. They live a semi-nomadic pastoral lifestyle, deeply intertwined with their cattle. The Maasai are instantly recognizable by their vibrant red cloth and intricate beadwork. The Adumu, or jumping dance, is a famous ritual demonstrating strength. Maasai women craft beautiful jewelry, telling stories and signifying status. Their traditional homes, bomas, protect livestock from predators. The Maasai have a deep respect for the natural world. Visiting a Maasai village offers a glimpse into a vastly different way of life. The Maasai face challenges in the modern world but strive to maintain their traditions. Your Tanzanian tapestry and adventure awaits. Tanzania is a land of unparalleled natural beauty, offering a rich tapestry of experiences. From Kilimanjaro's peak to Zanzibar's beaches, it captivates the soul. The Serengeti teems with wildlife, and the Ngorongoro crater cradles a unique ecosystem. Imagine witnessing the Great Migration or exploring Stone Town's historic alleyways. Tanzania makes these dreams a vibrant reality. The warmth of its people is as memorable as its landscapes. This is more than just a holiday destination. It is an invitation to connect with nature. Tanzania offers a chance to step away from the everyday and embrace the extraordinary. The memories you forge here will last a lifetime. Tanzania awaits, ready to share its treasures and weave its spell upon your heart.